Okay, go.
Checkpoint, we're seeing the world. Just kidding, just put that there.
What is wrong with you?
I don't know.
What is wrong with you?
Sniff around. Then we can take a nap after. Snake!
Bro.
Oh. Sorry.
Here, let's sniff this.
Dang!
You're ruining our scenes.
It wasn't just me. Bury it.
Okay.
Bury this.
So starting on the Misty scene.
Ooh, we have to do this first.
Okay.
And we mess it up. Okay. My head. But seriously, what is in this? Get rid of this. I'm burying it, okay?
You are not burying it.
But now it is. Sorry, Misty, gotta do this. Unbury the hole! What did I just say? Okay, you got it. Sorry about this, Misty. Sorry.
Oh, Lord God.
Hang on. Misty, we're gonna need your help over here.
You're gonna crush me!
No one knows we can lift it.
Boy.
How was this again? It was like this.
Yeah.
And then we gotta just do it like that, and then gotta just.
There's our... Ah!
Oh God, that's not where it was. This is where it was. You good? Look in there. There. Okay. From the top.
Okay. Sorry, y'all. She's just too cute. Oh no, there's a flea on your face.
Don't forget to get Max.
Phoebe, look at me. I know that you're a camera shy girl. Yes, that's a beautiful face.
Didn't you look like she's smiling?
Yeah. We love you. Okay. From the top, of course. Baby, you need to get off. Okay. Now. What are you doing?
I'm sweeping, okay? I'm sweeping.
Okay, guys, cut the cameras. Cut the camera.
Let's sleep with this thing, like, by us.
Yeah. All right, come here. Bro.
I'm sorry. Ow.
Right.
I tripped.
We can hear you. Okay, guys. For the last time, cut the camera. Y'all get into it. God. Ow. Oh.